shot porol. Shot porol. Shot porol. Happy Fiesta. Wow. Fantastic lunch over here.
This a fish. Fish.
Yeah.
Fish.
We have a fish.
This
Fried fish, eggplant and vegetables. And my favorite lumpia. What is this? So that is a lunch. Fantastic. I'm going to enjoy it.
Back and forth. Parang kalamungge ni. Agad ni. Back and forth.
Dem. Eh, malungkot siya may dem mo. Oo.
Okay,
Dem mo. Say hello.
Abang ng Jace, oh.
Usually, I will write like this to show the people. Now I
Ubari mga kapeke.
follow through it.
Kasanti ka lalaki.
You can see yourself now clearly.
Yes.
You can make it a little bit more lengther, more nicer. Yeah. Yes.
Konjam.
say hi.
Ating nagdahi kitang kahit na may putiya ka no ato. Konjam.
Gangi ko. Sok, say hi, Sok.
Sa wakas, sumama si Mamla Arnie sa kainan. Tubo pa naman.
That is a live lumpia. It's going on over here. Yes.
My favorite player, Sachin Tendulkar.
Really?
Yeah, the golden boy of
He's
India.
he's a very good man.
Yeah.
Wow. That's fantastic. Right now, we got the landowner permission to take a video over there. We are going. Today is a beautiful day with a blue sky. It's going to be fantastic. Look at the place. That's one fish pond, but the place I want to go, it is right over there. We have to go from here.
Here.
We got to go that side.
Yeah.
Wow. No slipper?
No.
Here, no slipper. See the place? Look at the place we are. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. How you go there?
Here, my fish pond.
We'll go here, this way. We'll go this way.
Bau ka?
Let's go. I don't know. It's still going on. Yeah, that's a place.
Yeah?
There.
That's place.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
How you go there?
How you go there?
Yeah,
No.
that's a place.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Yan ang kalamansi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we need to go in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the way.
Look at that. We have a lot of fans over here. Look at the climate. Fantastic climate.
Yeah.
Ooh.
The palay.
Really?
Rice like rice.
I want to see something.
Yeah.
Come closer. Yeah, hold it.
Oh, hold.
Hold and
Ah.
say.
Say hi, say hi.
I got it.
Oh.
Okay. Don't cover your face, okay?
Yes, don't go over. Just ano.
Tomato on the side. Wow. And calamansi is the main thing.
Lime.
Now the time almost like 5:28.
You know.
Is in the evening right now. 5:20. So this is the part of Culipat.
Yes, Culipat.
Okay. We are exploring a little bit more better.
So we can go.
Yeah. Just go touch over there.
It's my friend's property.
Really?
Yes.
Look at the way we are going in.
At the end, you can see a fine scenery.
Yeah. Let's see some scenery over there.
It's good.
Wow. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Wow. This is nice. This is a rice field, huh?
Rice field. Look at that.
That's fantastic.
That's